Namaste and welcome. I am Dr. Omkarnath Deshpande and we are publishing this series on coronavirus COVID-19 to make scientific medical information available in a simple language for all of you to understand. Welcome to our series and for watching these videos. In this video, we shall learn about what is a virus, how a virus infects us, and what are the different types of viruses. Now, some basic concepts. All living things in the world are made up of small units called as cells. Now, large animals like us or dolphin are made up of millions and millions of cells. Bacteria, which are the smallest organism, are made up of only one cell. Now, each cell in our body has small little organs inside it. A virus is smaller than one cell and it cannot be seen by a normal microscope. It has to be seen only by something called as an electron microscope. A virus lies at the boundary of living and non-living. You can call it either living or you can also call it non-living. The reason being that it is always dependent on another living cell of either a plant or an animal for surviving. It lives only when it is inside that another cell, because a virus lacks the organs required for survival, for growth and for reproduction. All living things in the world contain both DNA and RNA inside their cell, but a virus contains only either DNA or RNA but never both. Hence, the virus by itself cannot grow, cannot make protein and cannot reproduce. So how do the viruses live? Now first, a virus attaches to the covering of another living cell or to the skin of the other living cell, enters inside the cell, opens its DNA or RNA that it contains, and now uses the living cell's small organs to make its own proteins and to reproduce itself, to grow itself and make many baby viruses, that is to reproduce. Now the virus uses this living cell's mechanism to reproduce and make thousands and lakhs of copies of itself. All these thousands of new virus babies will kill the cell and then burst out and now attach to many other cells. Thus the virus keeps spreading from one cell to thousands of cells in the body. So what happens to the living cell in which the virus had entered? Either the living cell can burst and die and allow all the viruses to come out, or it will not die but allow some viruses to come out in batches slowly. Or there are other complex effects which are out of the purview of our discussion. So how do viruses infect humans? Through blood like hepatitis B, through food or water like hepatitis A and polio, through unsafe sex like HIV, through animal and dog bites like rabies, or through air and breathing like common cold like influenza or this COVID-19, and there are many other ways. So what is a coronavirus? What exactly gives a virus its name? Now just like there are many types of animals in the world like a monkey, an elephant, a fish, bird, lizard, whatever, there are many different types of viruses. A virus has its own world, and in this world of viruses there are millions and millions of types of viruses. Let us say a reovirus, a parvovirus, a rhabdovirus, herpes virus, retrovirus, hepadnavirus, hantavirus or coronavirus, and all of these in their world have many different subtypes also. So in the next episode, we shall learn about how viruses are different than bacteria, how our body's immunity helps us to fight against the viruses, why viruses are so dangerous, what is vaccination, and what treatments are available against viruses. We hope that this was simple and useful for you. For more videos, please keep watching and share this with your friends and relatives. Namaskar. Thank you very much and Jai Hind.